So one of our friends' dads asked me if I could make him something for a charity event. I think it's sponsored by 4-H, and I said, yeah, because that's what you do. So here it is.
So there we were beneath the burning sky. Both had a reason to live, but so much more to die. Will fate decide who has to go? Oh, oh. We both know pain, but we deal it too. Who's dealt more? Well, I leave that up to you. I circle round, but you double back every time I turn you. There are facts, well, I guess I met my match. I drew fast, but he drew first. Had to make me bleed to quench his thirst. Oh, yeah. Now I know. This is how it ends. Let's just not pretend that I've always walked this path alone. And you will never see the likes of me again. Though I may have saved you once or twice, it never made me a hero, my friend. With my final breath I repair and hope to be forgiven for my sins. After all, we were two monsters dead set. He left off in his suit and tie, another target on his mind. He did not see me creep up from behind. For one long day and one painful night, I waited to take him by surprise. He was so unaware and unafraid to die. This is how it ends. Let's just not pretend that we never walked this path alone. They will never see the likes of us again. Though we may have saved a life or two, it never made us heroes, my friend. With our final breath we repair, hope to be forgiven for our sins. Starting with a little off the top from the corner store. The funny thing about a little is you always want more. I stole a nickel in my pocket and I'm gonna go far. Now I'm robbing the graves in my own backyard. I am a thief and a liar of the very worst kind. Oh, I sell to the broken and I rob them blind. I will build you a house with my own two hands, and then burn it to the ground as quick as I can. as quick as I can, as quick as I can. I have to lie to go to bed and lie to wake up, to forget the voices of the dead. You gotta play tough. I am suits and ties and cocaine crazy within, and I will look you in the eyes when I do you in. I am suits and ties and cocaine crazy within, and I will look you in the eyes when I do you in. I am a thief and a liar of the very worst kind. Oh, I sell to the broken and I rob them blind. I'll build you a house with my own two hands, and then burn it to the ground as quick as I can, as quick as I can, as quick as I can.
Okay, I hope you guys liked that video. We just got back from the benefit dinner that it was for. It was really cool. Had a great auction, great food. If you did like the video, please like, subscribe, share it with somebody if you know somebody that would like it above everything else. The whole reason of making videos is for people to enjoy them. So, all right, we'll see you next time.